Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disassemble Shark Turbo Blade XL. So let's get started. So begin by aligning the fan blades horizontally. Turn the turbo blade arms until they sit in a straight horizontal position. This helps make removal easier and minimizes pressure on the locking clips. Next, detach the blade assembly. Move behind the fan and grip both ends of the blade assembly with your hands. Press down firmly on each side until the removable section releases, then pull it straight towards you. If you hear a few loud clicks or popping sounds, that's often normal because the locking tabs can fix very tightly. Now it's time to separate the pole from the base. Turn the base counterclockwise until it can no longer rotate. Find the small release slot where the pole connects to the base. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the opening and press inward to disengage the latch. While holding the latch, rotate the pole counterclockwise and lift it out. For the next step, remove the base plate. Carefully flip the fan upside down. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently release the base latch. Then twist the base plate counterclockwise and lift it off. Finally, clean the parts and put everything back together. Wipe the plastic components with a microfiber cloth. Clear dust from the vents and filters and let any cleaned pieces dry fully before reassembling the fan. Reinstall each part by following the same steps in reverse. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.